Yep, these are the trumpeter swans in Arkansas. They come in the winter and then they fly towards Canada when it gets warmer. If it freezes, they'll go further south. They're beautiful, but they don't say badak badak. Looks like it's dinner time. C Square Farms told me about this.
See this one here trying to take a nap?
Yeah, it's not quite white. It's like it's gray.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta go. Stay warm out there. It's gonna get colder this weekend. So get out and see something pretty wherever you may be. Badak badak. Oh, that one was stretching its wings and I missed it. That's the one that was napping.
Oh.
Sounds like a seagull. Badak.